Hey, I'm Rob Scott, publisher at UC Today, and I'm here to introduce UC Summit 2020. It's an exciting time in the UC industry right now. When I launched UC Today back in 2017, the UC, collaboration and CX technology industries were already beginning to merge at a rapid rate. UC was starting to make a lot more sense to companies across the globe, and vendors were innovating at record speed. Today's UC buyers are often digital experts from IT departments or line of business leaders. The buyer market is younger than it used to be, and buying processes have changed as a result. Buyers seem to be continually evolving to suit their digitally transforming businesses. Even smaller organizations are putting the cloud and SaaS first to remain disruptive and innovative. In an environment like this, a new set of communication tools and platforms is crucial. Customers, teams, and users need hyper-productive interactions on any device, in any location, and across multiple channels. The comms world is changing. Over the last year, I've traveled to locations all around the globe to listen to the most influential speakers in the industry. I've had a chance to explore the latest vendor solutions on show and network with thought leaders from every sector. However, I was always left to wonder, who wasn't able to attend these events? Buying business communication tools isn't easy. It requires today's companies to research their vendor, their technology, and their options. More often now, purchases are made by a team rather than a single individual. Watching demonstrations and asking questions and comparing solutions is crucial, but all of those things are difficult to do at a live event. And that's why I've decided to create something new, a better way to find the tech you need. UC Summit 2020 is a virtual expo and conference intended to give tech leaders a single environment where they can learn, explore, and engage with the evolving UC industry. For some time now, various industries have been experimenting with the potential of things like virtual and augmented reality to help deliver more immersive experiences. Over the next 2 years, the virtual events market is set to grow at a rate of over 21%, which leads me to believe our debut virtual summit is the right move. While physical trade shows are often time-consuming and complicated for corporations to deal with, virtual events give vendors a chance to deliver intimate, on-demand experiences for every attendee. There's no background noise to contend with, there's no long commutes, and you won't be fighting for attention. Instead, visitors have a chance to choose which tools they're most interested in and explore those offerings in depth and in their own time. Why not consider joining us at UC Summit 2020? With a lower carbon footprint, a greater opportunity to explore, and no need for expensive travel, the UC Summit 2020 is one of the most accessible UC events of the year. There isn't even a dress code to worry about. We've designed this event to be fully digital, ready to access from anywhere, and brimming with content that you can explore for up to 90 days. That means you're not trying to cram your communication research strategy into a single day. Furthermore, your search and discovery is all in one place rather than scattered around Google search results. We'll be bringing together world-leading vendors from unified communications, collaboration, and customer experience technology markets. What's more, we'll be providing our attendees with the comfort of a fully on-demand experience which allows them to customize their event to suit their needs. The UC Summit is a video-first solution intended to deliver exceptional user-generated content from some of the most knowledgeable professionals, thought leaders, and marketplace innovators around. We'll give you access to the latest insights in the industry, exclusive offers to kickstart your UC journey, and a complete overview of market trends. We've even got our own Cisco and Microsoft villages set up where you can explore their unique partner ecosystems in depth. If all that wasn't enough, there's also a virtual launchpad which provides a complimentary virtual experience for any new vendor that's launched their company in the last 3 years. And that's our way of helping the UC market continue to grow. Whether you're an attendee or a vendor, the UC Summit 2020 is your chance to get in on the ground floor of something truly unique. Our virtual event is a fantastic opportunity to explore all the unique benefits of virtual events yourself. Discover a new way to interact with the UC community without the crowds, the chaos, or the noise. If you're looking for an opportunity to develop your business communication strategy in 2020, meet new vendors and service providers, and boost your learning, visit ucsummit.com today. You can pre-register for the event right now. A pre-registration will guarantee you free entry into the event, and it will ensure that you're kept up to date as this summit unfolds. If you want to be one of the incredible vendors showing your wares and solutions at our virtual event, then you can get involved as an exhibitor too. Download our media kit to get started and contact the UC Today team if you have any questions. I couldn't be more excited to launch this brand new experience for the UC community in 2020. The digital doors will be open for the first time in January, and I hope to see you all on the other side. Come with us on the journey into the next stage of the UC revolution. See you at the UC Summit 2020.